Hey friends, Wendy here. I'm excited to be joining you guys today because I want to talk a little bit about the ongoing special that Tula 12 has available. We have several different specials that we get through to share with you throughout the month. We have a spin and get, we have freebies, but one that we always have going on is purchase 4 inserts and get a free package of jump bands. So I want to spend some time today talking to you about how you can utilize this special to your advantage and how you can be able to get started with Tula 12 with just this quick little special: 4 inserts and a package of jump bands. Let me go ahead and switch my camera view and let's talk it out. There we go. So in this setup, I have 4 different inserts. These happen to be 4 insert style covers that are coming for fall 2023. And I'm excited to be sharing with you guys how you can utilize this free jump band package with these 4 inserts. So what the special entails is you're going to go ahead and purchase 4 inserts. And when you do, you're going to add a package of jump bands to your cart. You can either get black or you can get white. Either one will work great with our covers and our inserts. You're not going to see them a whole lot, so it doesn't really matter which color you choose. But I'm going to go ahead and put together an actual setup that you can use without a cover. And I love this aspect because if you're just getting started with Tula 12 and you might be a little bit overwhelmed with what you have to put together with all the different options that we have, you might not be sure what size you want. So I'm going to go ahead and just start showing you how to put these together. So we're going to start with a single jump band and we're going to add it on to 2 of our covers in the stapled section. So you'll notice that I turned to the stapled section here and I'm going to go ahead and just grab 2 of our inserts. It doesn't matter what order they are in. Again, just turning to the stapled section, and you're going to slide the jump band so that they are directly in the middle of the stapled section. And you can see that it looks like this on both the top and the bottom, where you can see just a little bit of the jump band poking through. Okay, we're going to do that again with our second section with our 2 other inserts. Again, turning to the stapled section and adding our jump band. This time we're using the white option. And then again, grabbing the second insert and going to the second option. These are some beautiful insert covers and options that you guys have available. These I just picked 4 random ones, so they're not in any particular order. Now you're going to see that you have 2 sets put together like this. We have one with our white jump band here, and we have one set with our black jump band. With you laying them both flat open like this, you're going to pull one and slide the other one inside, like so. Okay, and with that done, you're going to see that you actually have 4 of your inserts that are attached together, and they're going to do that with the jump bands at the top. See them? There's the black one and then there's the white one. This is a perfect way for you to utilize your Tula 12 Lifestyle Organizer inserts if this is the first time you've ever tried these and you don't have a cover. It still allows you to be able to lay your inserts flat like you would with a cover. You have the ability to arrange them however it suits your needs. You can add tab and magnetic clips on here so that you can organize them better. This just gives you a quick way to put together a quick organizer for yourself. You can see I've grabbed, this is the back one that I'm hanging on to, and it really is, they're stuck together. So this gives you a way for you to be able to utilize your inserts without having a cover. One of the fantastic things about working with Tula 12 is you really get to personalize and utilize them to your own needs, your own personal lifestyles. Something that you will discover as you are learning how to use Tula 12 is that there are 3 aspects. First, you get to pick your cover, then your inserts, and then your accessories. If you're overwhelmed with those steps, we highly recommend that you start with the most important part, and that's the inserts. That's the part that's actually going to get you organized and ready to go. And as you can see, using this jump band system, you really do not need to have a cover to get started. I would recommend that you get with a brand ambassador that shared this video with you and talk to her about how you can get started with your Tula 12 Lifestyle Organizer. And then if you want to get your cover for free or discounted, get with the brand ambassador that shared with this video with you, and you can set up an event with her, a party, or whatever the case may be, for you to be able to get your cover free or discounted. And that's a heck of a deal, friends. So grab those 4 inserts, your free package of jump ins, which you're going to add right to the cart, and get started with your lifestyle organizer today. Hope you guys all have a fantastic day, friends. Bye-bye.